Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you really want to make some great money and are you willing to put in some work, then you can make almost $5,000 every single month in a easy manner. Okay, just working for 5 to 10 minutes a day, you can make this amount of money. So just stick in this video till the end. I'm gonna explain you the entire strategy, and literally I also myself I utilize this strategy to make a lot of money. So I will be revealing the entire strategy to you. So watch this video till the end and understand whatever I tell you in this video. So now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do about learn about this strategy is that go to Warrior Plus, okay, and search for affiliate products. If you don't have an account on Warrior Plus, I highly recommend just go to Warrior Plus and sign up. There is no approval process. They just approve you instantly as you sign up over there, and you can promote thousands of affiliate offers which are available on Warrior Plus. Okay, just go and do that. Okay, now I just searched the term Instagram and lot of Instagram programs appeared over here, and you can see that you are paid this commissions when you make only single sale of these programs. Okay, so you can select any of this program, just request for the program, just say that I just want to promote this program utilizing free traffic, paid traffic, just that's it. That's what you have to write in the request and then send the request. Okay, they will approve you in 1 to 2 hours, and I highly recommend that you send requests to all these programs so that you get approved for maximum programs. Okay, so don't worry about that. And even one more affiliate program which I'm gonna show you is which we are going to use in this strategy is this Insta Pro. Okay, it gives you 40% commission on a single sale, and that commission is huge. That's $278.80, and that's a good commission. This can be a bit high ticket offer. Okay, so now let's jump into the strategy what we are going to do. Okay, so the first thing is that you have to head over to this platform which is known as Canva.com. Okay, now go to Canva.com and you need to just go and select this dimensions which is 1920 by 1080. Just click on create design and select custom and just select this dimensions. Okay, you can select this or you can select any of the dimension, any custom dimensions which you want. Okay, just but select minimum this. Okay, now once you are done with this, now what you have to do is you have to design this type of stuff. Okay, you just click on and this type of page will open, and all you need to do is drag text from here and then you can just paste it over here, and then you can edit this text, okay, in any of the way you want. See, now I can edit this stuff, okay, and then I can just rewrite this stuff. Whatever I want to do, I can do with this stuff. Okay, so that's really simple. Anyone can almost do this. Okay, so I just created this stuff on Canva. Okay, and if you don't know how to use Canva, there are a ton of tutorials available on YouTube which you can watch and learn how to use Canva.com. Okay, it's not that difficult. Okay, so you just got the idea from where we are going to create content. Okay, this strategy can be applied on all the niches, but I am showing you the Instagram niche for an example. So just understand this stuff. Okay, so you just created this content. Now we will be doing this utilizing 4 platforms and not 1 platform, so that you get traffic really fast. Okay, I'm not gonna rely on just a single platform, but we are going to rely on 4 platforms so that we get the most traffic and most conversion really fast. Okay, now let's go. And no one has created a video about this strategy on YouTube until today, because this is a unique strategy. This is something which I personally use. Okay, and that really works awesome. Okay, now let's go to our, so once you have created this type of graphic using Canva, you can just sign up. It's a free platform, and just create this type of graphic. Okay, Instagram tips, just search for some Instagram tips on Google and just copy and paste. Okay, this is what I did. Now just download this. Okay, so I have already downloaded this image over here. Now once you have downloaded this image, just create one more image. Okay, which can be like Instagram tips, more Instagram tips. Okay, just create 2 to 3 images, or you can do like this, that you can write one tip in a one image, okay, and then download it, then create another image and write the second tip, then create another image and write the third tip. Okay, that's it. You are going to do this stuff and download 5 to 6 images over here. Okay, once you have downloaded all these images, now just minimize this. Okay, and you just have to open this open short video editor. Yes, we are going to create a video, but what type of video we are going to create is really interesting. You don't need to record yourself or do anything. Okay, just take watch this video till the end, because you have to understand this strategy is a bit tricky, but it can pay you a lot of money. Just understand this thing, okay? A lot of money this can earn you. If you want to quit your 9 to 5 job, then you need to understand this strategy. Okay, now let's minimize. And what you have to do, we have already downloaded this image. Now we are going to place this image over here. Okay, we place the image over here. Just drag it over here, and you can see this images in this video. Okay, now what you have to do is just make 3 to 4 images just like this. Now the second image comes like this, which is the second tip. Now the third image comes like this, which is the third tip. Okay, and that's it. Okay, now what you have to do is add a sound to it. Okay, just go to YouTube audio library. Okay, so there is see, this is YouTube audio library. Go to youtube.com/audio library and you can download all this copyright free tracks. Okay, just from YouTube provides you all this copyright free tracks, and you can download this awesome stuff directly from the YouTube audio library. And just click on this plus button, and then you can add any of the tracks. Okay, whichever track you want, just download any of the tracks and use that track. Okay, and just drag that track to over this. Okay, once this is done, just create a video which is 1 minute long, not longer than that. Okay, we are going to use this 1 minute video, okay, in this strategy, so stick till the end. And then you just have to click on this export video. Now you just have to do just make a file name, select the folder wherever you want to save it. Now here you have to click MP4 MPEG-4. Here you have to click 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, this one. Okay, this is the ideal one, and this creates the highest quality video. And just set the resolution to high and just export the video. Okay, so your 1 minute video is ready, which has almost 5 tips or 6 tips. Okay, now that's ready. Now just exported your video. Your video is ready. Now the first thing you have to do is take this video and upload this video to YouTube. Yeah, you have to create a niche Instagram account. Okay, just create a YouTube account which is based on Instagram. Okay, and then upload that video, 1 minute video, to YouTube. Okay, and then provide the affiliate link of this affiliate program in the description. Okay, you can find affiliate programs over here, or you can promote this affiliate program. Okay, and if you make one sale in a month, you are gonna make a lot of money. Okay, so this is the first thing which you need to do. Now the second thing which you need to do is go to Instagram and create a page just like this. Okay, that page should be based on Instagram. Okay, now Instagram, and upload that 1 minute video to Instagram, because videos perform very well on Instagram, and that's really something which I have seen nowadays. Most of the people prefer watching some small videos on Instagram instead of just watching some graphics. Okay, so that's really good. So just upload that one video to Instagram. Okay, now the third platform, and just provide your affiliate link in the bio. Okay, and when you upload your a link to whatever to YouTube, you also give your Instagram link. Okay, so that people can follow you on Instagram also. And now Instagram will act as a landing page for your YouTube channel. Okay, just understand this stuff. give the link in the bio. Okay, now the third is Pinterest. Okay, so I just found out this random video and I just uploaded it on Pinterest almost a week or 2 weeks ago. Okay, almost a week ago, and you can see that this video has got 324 video views, and that's really awesome because you can you can directly promote affiliate links on Pinterest utilizing this 1 minute videos. Okay, so that's really interesting. So you have already created a 1 minute video which you can now also give just upload to Pinterest. All you need to do is just click on this plus, create pin, and now what you have to do is just take this image, drag it over here. Your pin is ready. Just type in the title grow on Instagram. Okay, and provide your affiliate link over here on this platform. Okay, so you have uploaded your video to YouTube. You are gonna get some traffic from YouTube. You have uploaded your video on Instagram. You are gonna get traffic from Instagram. Now you have uploaded your video on Pinterest. You are gonna get traffic from Pinterest. And now the main and the best thing, you are having a 1 minute video, and now you can also upload this video to a very great platform which drives ton of traffic in a very short period of time, and that is TikTok. Yeah, you can also upload this video to TikTok, and everyone knows that you can integrate your YouTube account as well as your Instagram account with your TikTok account. Okay, so now you have one video which is on all the platforms. Okay, and TikTok will drive traffic to your YouTube channel as well as your Instagram account. Pinterest will drive traffic to your affiliate offer. YouTube will drive traffic to your affiliate offer. Pinterest will drive traffic to your affiliate offer, and you will drive traffic to Pinterest and your YouTube channel with TikTok. So that's what's gonna happen. Okay, so you are gonna get a ton of traffic utilizing this strategy. It works better than ads because you are going to get a huge traffic from all the platforms coming to one single offer, which is an Instagram training. Okay, or whatever offer you choose, you can choose this Insta Pro affiliate opportunity, or you can also choose this programs. Okay, now you can do this in any niche. There is no limitation. You can do this in health and fitness niche. You can do this in make money niche. You can do this in Instagram niche. You can do this in Facebook niche. Any of the niche which you choose, you can do this stuff. So utilizing these 4 accounts, creating a single content, getting that content out to all these programs, and getting the maximum traffic to your affiliate offer. Just do this consistently for 1 month. Okay, you can just create this kind of 1 minute videos in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so just create 5 videos every single day just like that, and upload all those 5 videos to all this platform. This will take half an hour a day. Okay, and just leave it. Okay, just add the title tags description in your YouTube, same title tags and description on Instagram, same on Pinterest, same on TikTok. Okay, use proper hashtags on TikTok, and your one content is going to be on all the platforms. And you know the power of multi-platforming, you may get a lot of traffic, and this can make you $5,000 every single month in the long run. Just do it for 1 month and you will see that your bank account is filled with $5,000 or even more. Okay, but you just have to stick with this strategy for 1 to 2 months to start making a decent amount of money with this really easy and simple strategy, and this can make you a lot of money. So just understand this. I myself am doing this stuff and I am making a lot of money. I have not shown my particular accounts because there would be more competition for me, but this is the strategy which I personally use, and this strategy works like a gem. This is a wonder strategy, and no YouTuber has ever created video on a strategy like this. Okay, so just understand the power of all these platforms, and you are not investing even a single dollar in the strategy, but you are going to drive thousands and thousands of traffic to your affiliate offer and make a lot of money with this strategy. So just take action on this strategy, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can check out all this other videos on my channel. They will provide you a ton of value and unique strategies to make money online, which practically work. Okay, that's really important, and I want you to make money. I want you to take action. This is really important, and what I genuinely wish. Okay, first you make the money, then I will make all the money which I can. Okay, and now for the sake, you can just follow my Instagram page if you like to do so, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.